Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hello Children. In this video, I read and explain the poem The Quality of Mercy, poet William Shakespeare. It is an extract from The Merchant of Venice, a famous Shakespearean comedy. In these lines, Portia, the protagonist of the play, pleads with Shylock for the mercy to save her husband's friend Antonio. Here, Portia argues why mercy is the greatest virtue of all. Now listen the poem. The quality of mercy is not strained. It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. Upon the place beneath it is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. 'Tis mightiest in the mightiest it becomes. The throned monarch better than his crown. His sceptre shows the force of temporal power, the attribute to awe and majesty, wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings, but mercy is above this sceptred sway. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God Himself, and earthly power doth then show likest gods when mercy seasons justice. Now listen the explanation. The quality of mercy is not forced. It drops down from heaven as a gentle rain upon the earth. Here, mercy is compared to the gentle rain. Gentle rain is one of the natural phenomena. Mercy is a natural quality in human beings. If human beings don't show mercy, then they don't deserve to be called human beings. The speaker says mercy is blessed twice. The quality of mercy blesses to the person who gives the mercy and who receives the mercy. The speaker tries to show that if the receiver of the mercy is blessed with the sense of gratitude, the giver of mercy has the sense of fulfillment. Mercy becomes mightiest or most powerful when it is shown by the people who have powers of life and death over all. Who has such power? A king or a queen or ruler. What are their symbols of power? Throne, crown, and scepter. Scepter is a decorated rod carried by a king or a ruler. The speaker says mercy is much better symbol of a king's power than his crown and scepter. Crown and scepter reveals only his earthly or worldly power. The scepter and crown used by the king to strike fear in the hearts of his subjects. If a king is merciful, he reveals a quality which can be attributed to or assigned to God Himself. Mercy is godlike quality. God is merciful, for though He is omniscient, omnipresent, and omnipotent, He deals mercifully with all. When mercy seasoned with justice, kingly power seems most like God's power. If the king has the quality of mercy in his heart, he is sure to win the hearts of his people and he becomes godlike. This poem has 14 lines, but it is not a sonnet. It doesn't have the usual rhyme scheme. It is a free verse which has open form of poetry. Thank you.